Hello and welcome. I would like to present our new ProActive Plus, a toilet control system featuring electronic flush control for maximum hygiene at home or in heavily frequented public buildings. After the toilet has been used, the control system flushes fully automatically, determining by itself if a full or only a half flush is needed. Alternatively, a flush can be started by the user without hand contact. A conventional manual flush can be performed using the integrated flushing button. This may be useful in the unlikely event of a power failure. ProActive Plus offers a host of additional settings, for example allowing the user to control the full flush volume, the time interval for hygienic flushing, or to activate an automatic pre-flush. This flushes the toilet with a very small amount of water before use to help avoid residues on the ceramic surface. Light also plays an important role with ProActive Plus. The brightness is adjustable and the colour can be varied between warm and cold white. All of these and additional functions can be controlled via Bluetooth using the new Pro app. ProActive Plus comes in two variants, white with a glass finish or stainless steel, in each case with an illuminated Villeroy Boch logo. Thank you for your interest. Till next time.